Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Just Play app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing what we need to do, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and download the Just Play app from your Player App Store. Now once you've done that, we want to go ahead and open up the application. So for the first time, it's going to have a few pop-ups, so we can see here it's a little bit more about the app. So most trusted rewards app, over 100 million paid out, which is good to know. Top earners made this year, PayPal 700, Amazon 500. Just click next. The more you play, the more you win. Next, and then click on let's go. Then from here it will give you a little pop-up. Just click OK, click OK again, click OK, and allow notifications if you like. And also you might get some rewards for signing up, so we can go ahead and click on claim now. So these could vary depending when you're watching this video or when you're doing this. And then it'll say play now and make money, earn loyalty coins for playing games. Tip, you can scroll down to find more games, so go ahead and click on explore now. Newcomer double payout, you may get this as well, so you get double payouts for every coin you collect for today only, so that's pretty cool. Then from here, you want to go ahead and browse all the different games here. So the app lists different mobile games you can play. Each game shows how many coins per minute you can earn while playing. Pick a game you like and tap play and collect. So play and earn. So when you play, the app tracks playtime and rewards with your coins. Rewards you with coins. The more you play, the more coins you can earn. Rewards can change daily, so check back often for higher payouts as well. And now once you've got enough coins, you can cash out, so go to the payout section. So this is typically located at the top, but I've only just started playing here, so you can see here we need 20,000. So for me, 20,000 coins, so collect as many loyalty coins as possible before the timer ends to increase your next moves. So we'll say boost the coins for 3 hours, and we can withdraw it with PayPal, but I need to reach the goal here. So I've got 10,000, I need to reach 6,000, 60,000 rather. Then you can convert those coins into real rewards like PayPal cash or gift cards, Amazon, Walmart, etc. Also, payouts are usually small but frequent, so you can cash out often. Now, there are some tips for more rewards. So try different games. Some give better coins per minute than others, and then also play every day to get daily bonuses. Also, watch ads if you want to boost your coins faster as well.